right, so new bill that's going to be presented to President Trump. Just another example of finally helping the veterans we poisoned. This deals with a very Nevada issue, which is atomic testing. We had the Nevada atomic site about 65 miles north of Vegas. And back in the 50s and 60s, there was something like 900 separate atomic bomb explosions. And they purposely had soldiers near the area telling them it's perfectly safe, the radiation is safe. It wasn't, because they wanted to test to see if there was any adverse reactions to the radiation. Guess what? There was. They were dying of cancer and a multitude of health problems. And here now we are in 2025, 75 years later or so, and there finally is a bill to give increased health care, payouts, compensation, and not just to the soldiers, but to what we refer to here as downwinders, just average residents who lived in a proximity where this radiation that was dangerous in the 50s and 60s would blow downwind, and these people were having cancer and other medical issues and deformed babies, horrible stuff. And finally, all these years later, the government's finally going to have something to compensate people for it. Just follows a long line of successes by the U.S. government with soldiers like Agent Orange, Camp Lejeune, poisoning our soldiers and then not doing anything for decades. Hopefully we get it a little quicker next time.